Welcome everyone, welcome back to another new video session. Today we will learn about CSS. Yeah, Cascading Style Sheet, which means CSS. This style sheet is for designing your website to make more attractive. Like this, you can see in my screen my previous website, that not my website, just a demo for sharing you. So in my last video I have shown you about the making forms, right? So now in that video you could see in this part, right, there were no colors, there were no greetings and welcoming my page, and only the contact me part, that is to make how to make forms. I have given a video of that in my last video. So today we will know about the CSS. Actually, CSS is mainly for making your website a little stylish. That is, CSS হচ্ছে একটা ওয়েবসাইটকে আরো একটু সুন্দর করার জন্য বা আরেকটু attractive, more beautiful. That's why CSS is used to make a website. HTML is the basic part to make a website, and CSS is the style of it. And if you imagine this in real life, the HTML part, only this part, is the bones of human beings inside our skin. And this part is our screen, the thing you can see, the bluish background of my web, the div element, the writings in the top. There is my header, heading, and the top head, and in the div element. So today we will be doing the same. We will create a file, a folder of CSS. So let's start. At first, what should you need to do? That is, you can see I have opened my atom. Let me resize it too much bigger. Yeah, you can see it's my atom, and you can see a folder named CSS. At first, go to your folder of your main web page where you want to create, and in that create a new CSS folder. Create a new folder, name it CSS, and inside that CSS folder create a new file which is named style.css. In style.css, so now it will automatically come to your atom in your main folder of your all things that contains your main web page file, your blog and a contact file, and one of your pic. And that contains this, the main web page, contact, one of your what can I say, pic, and this blog. And another one we will now add today, that is CSS. And inside that CSS folder we will create a file of named style.css. So now let us open it. I have given the code. You can see I have written all the code. And now I'll explain to you. Dot class name background color dot sky blue. What can you understand by this first coding? This is our second coding. Let me press enter. Yeah, this is our second coding. So this is the header is our second coding. Okay, you can see dot class name, but if you write the coding of style.css only, that will not design your website. Yeah, we need to add some coding also to link the CSS file into your website by writing some code in the main part also, in the main web page coding also. So at the first, you will link the website of your you will link this file naming style sheet, because CSS means a sheet. So style sheet, and type is text CSS, and href, that is link, is CSS or style.css, the name of your file. We will name it as style.css. So first we will link the style.css inside the head part of your web page. And that's and after the end tag, we will start the next coding of CSS. So let us get into CSS. So after we have linked our file, all the coding of it will also happen as it, but we have to write some of the coding also, like header, top head, main heading, motif. Today we will add a header, top header, and the heading, and the main heading and motif. You can see header, the h1 class. So here body class name, body class is class name. Remember to give here a capital N. I still didn't give Ctrl S. That's why the coding hasn't saved till now. After I have made you understand about this part, I will press Ctrl S so that the coding is saved in here. So you can see dot class name is background color sky blue. I can change it, right? So what can I give? You can give as your wish, but sky blue is my favorite, or only I can give blue. Then I will give the next one, header. Let me make you understand which part is the header. Yeah, you could see I have written the green, so this part is the header, and for the background I've written sky blue, right? So sky blue is this color. So let me go back to my code, and where's my code? Yep. So here you could see the header is green. So what is the header? How this is my profile could come here? Yeah, I have written the line here. That's why it has come. H1 class equal to a header, because in style.css I wrote dot header. Remember to give this dot everywhere. And then this header part, h1 class equal to header. This is my profile. That's why this is my profile. Its color has been turned out into green. And the next one, the top head. The top head writing I have written as Zahraa. You can see the line here. Yeah, it's pink color and the text color is black. I didn't wrote any text color code. That's why the text color is black. You can see top head, that it was the top head of mine, and the margin, the margin of it is 20px. I can change it, but I don't wanna. And the background color of it is pink, and the text align is in center. If I try to change it, it can be justified. Yep, it's justified, or it can be in you could see many of them came center, left, justify, right, inherit, etc. I want to keep it in center. Remember to give this semicolon mark, otherwise the code will not work. And then our top head part is finished. Also our header, this is my profile header, and our top head was my name. You accordingly your name you will give. And let me give some info for making you understand my codes. Yeah, and the body color, body is background color this. So what is meant by this? Yeah, this is my code, HTML code for a specific color. So what's my main heading here? My main heading is welcome to my profile. So the HTML head, yeah, the main heading, my font size is 50px, my color is my color code is this one, and the text align is also in center. And the background color, what about that? Yeah, and the background color I have done as my wish. Yeah, it's nothing but that. I just gave it at my wish. Oh yeah, the background color is related to this one. The background color will be, the code is here for blue, and I also have written here for blue. Let me rewrite it as sky blue. I like this one. And the main heading size I have given 50 pixels. The color code is this one. You can get the color code as I have given you a name of a website named Color Hunt. Color Hunt নামের ওয়েবসাইটটাতে এই HTML5 এর কালার কোডগুলো পাওয়া যায়। এখানে কালার কোডগুলোতে ক্লিক করলেই এগুলা কপি হয়ে যায়। So in that case we may copy and then paste it here, but in that case the hash will not be present here after you copy. Remember to give the hash, otherwise the color will not be present. And the text align is in center, or you can give it anywhere else. And you can see h1 class is main heading, welcome to my profile, and the div class part. Now what is this div? Div means the division class. we have divided. I have divided this line and this line into two parts. So in the div one, it's called division. In short, I'm calling it div. Div class equal to my div, and heading number 2, I have written, as you can see, this is a heading and a div element. I have written this one. I have not written any code for this one in the CSS part. That's why no color is going in that part. Only the black one. The black one is auto for that. Let me put my pickable. Yeah. And the div is closed. So from here my div started, and from here my div is, and up to this is my div element. Only div class equal to my div, and the heading number 2 and my paragraph, and that's enter. And as this one, it has come to here. This is some text in a development. I was typically perplexed, what should I write in this part? So simply I wrote this line and not any code for that in style.css. So I think everybody could understand. Now let us go to this page and press Ctrl S so that it could be saved for, and let us see the results. Ctrl S. And now let me refresh the page. Oh, I didn't press Ctrl S. That's why I think so it's not working. And sometimes don't need to be fair. Sometimes the code of your atom will not be working, but don't leave patience. Okay, it should be. Yeah, you could see the same as my this one. No change, just tab change. So this is my profile, my name according to that, and I have given the purple. In the color hunt, there are many different things you can, many different color combinations and palettes. Let me search color hunt for you guys. And so I hope you guys you like this. So yeah. Whoa, what a cool background. Color hunt. After searching color hunt, yeah, the colorhunt.co is a website for it. Color palettes. You can see here different palettes. You can see the code has come, right? So if you click on it, it will say you copied. That is, let me click. Yeah, it said copied. So that's why, and if you give a love here, then it will be saved on your palette section. My collections, you can see I have collected many of the palettes. These are combination. You can see in any one. The palette, I like this one very much. In my next web page, I will try to do this. So bye bye everyone. Well, and see you in my next video. And until then, stay fine and stay in home. Don't go outside. It's corona pandemic right now. So bye bye. Hope you guys will see my next video also. And until then, stay safe and fine. Bye.